This 1965 Plymouth Belvedere has come a long way since we first acquired it about 20 years ago. Mechanically, it was all original, and it had received a fresh coat of paint and new upholstery. A few modifications were made here and there, and that's how it stayed for about a decade. Participating in local car shows and cruise nights was standard fare for this Mopar. But then one day, everything changed. After a fun weekend at Willow Springs, with nothing but a front disc brake upgrade and a set of Hellwig sway bars, we caught up with an unsuspecting contender in the fast sweeper. That was when the car began its complete transformation into what it has become today. The Plymouth became a magazine project car, and the goal was to go faster and to handle better. We road raced a couple of times each year, and in between open track days we installed new parts and we documented all of our improvements. We continued to play with the Porsches at the track, and the Mustangs, and even the Corvettes. After just a few trips, we reduced our lap times by over 10 seconds. Back at home, we showed the Plymouth and it gained a few fans. We rubbed elbows with local and a national celebrity or two. We had numerous sponsors who helped us with the build over the years, and we developed some great partnerships with aftermarket performance companies all around the country. With the handling dialed in, it was time for more power. So we started with a fresh build and we were excited to take it to the next level. Unfortunately, we developed engine troubles and we suffered 2 build failures at local shops. Engine troubles plagued us and the build was put on hold. Our Plymouth sat for a couple of months collecting cobwebs while we regrouped to come up with a better game plan. Recently, however, an opportunity presented itself to us that we just couldn't pass up, and we're excited to be back to work on the Belvedere. The pieces are starting to fall into place, and the next phase is taking shape. We were down, but we weren't out. Our Plymouth is back in the game. And there's a windstorm coming.